Alright, back on the Dorado 30. Gonna do a quick video of all of the lights and whatnot on the boat. So up here I have a LED light that's dimmable. You just hold your finger on it and it gets brighter. You can see it lights up pretty much the whole dang boat. It is bright. And then if you want to just turn it off, you can tap it, it'll dim back down. A little indicator. And then if you hold it, it'll go back down to the low. And we'll turn on, this whole bottom row is all my lights. So then you'll have your gunnel lights that are changeable through an app. I do have the remote, but I just use the phone, because if the remote gets wet, then that's trash. So phone works perfect. You can change the colors to red, green, yellow. Speaker pods have blue lights in them. And then the lights actually go into one side of the cabin. And then we can do the underwater lights. These are the Sea Blaze color changing. And then you just toggle that switch on and off to keep them one color, or you can have them strobe. Do have a side markers, a rear dive light. These are all been updated to LED. I wanted to keep the look of the way it was, so I converted the old halogen bulbs to LED. Sea Blaze lights are obviously very bright. And then we'll go with, turn on the nav and anchor light. You can see the all around up there. You can see the green on that side, red on that side. And then if you just want, obviously the anchor's on. Then we got the really blindy lights, back spreaders, LED with the spot and flood. They're actually like insanely bright. But if you need the light, you need it. So that's kind of an idea there. Front spreader. Sorry, neighbors. Kind of see that. And it does not shine on the boat, so you can definitely run with that on if you needed to see some lights. And then you got your cabin lights. You can see there. Turn off the lights. And those are just two LED pods. Well, not really pods, but little pucks on each side. So that's all the lights. There you go.